Alright, I'm here in Brook Electronic. This is the Brook Electronic Robot Ant. It's built in with 3D printer, Arduino base, Bluetooth module, and some application that can control the Bluetooth in the robot. They have 18 motor, servo motor for the leg, one extra servo motor for the tail, and two extra servo motor for the neck and the mouth. The robots have some ultrasonic sensor, and that means they can sense in the distance between the object and the hand and can interacting with the object in the front. They can move in the front, right, left, stop, backward. They can bite. We can move the speed of the robot. For this, can move slow or fast. They can bite. They can attack. He can move the tail. He can move the head. He can grab, drop. Basically, the brain of the robot is Arduino Mega. They have lithium battery, 7.4 volt. They have power module that controls 7.4 volt to 5 volt. They have a Bluetooth module. All the parts that we need, we can find it here in Brook Electronic. Servo, infrared sensor, Arduino, power module, and Bluetooth. Everything is in our microcontroller section in Brook Electronic. The next video, gonna be our robot toddlers. Thank you for watching.